As of right now, I am under the biochemistry major, but I am in between neuroscience and biochemistry because I have also found a love for neuroscience. I think understanding your brain not only helps you understand the organ itself, but yourself and how you interpret your emotions and your reality.
Can you pinpoint a particular moment where you decided neuroscience is something I'm really interested in?
My brother, he recommended a book for me. I believe the name is The Body Keeps the Score. And it's a book about how our brain and everything that happens around us, our brain essentially soaks in all of that. And it shapes you into the person you will be. And it talks about how your emotional brain is so strong. And for a very long time, I struggled with my emotions and I struggled with self-image. And that was when, understanding how powerful the emotional brain is, I understood I can't control my emotions, but the only thing that I can control is my rationalization of my emotions and my reaction. And that, honestly, reading that book and getting to that page and understanding that and it clicking, it changed everything for me.
You told me that Dr. Mike Morrow here at Romeoville High School is one teacher who has had a profound influence on you, but it's because he taught you that it's okay to not be perfect. Explain that.
I had completed an assignment late, and that was because I had my own personal things going on that weekend. And I remember coming up to him and I explained myself. I felt so guilty. I felt guilty that I wasn't able to give him the usual hardworking and on-point student that he knew for 2 years. And he said to me, "Karylle, that was the most refreshing thing to see you finally not complete an assignment." And I know, it's weird because usually you hear from teachers it's not good to not turn in an assignment on time. But for him, he explained to me that that moment showed that I put myself first.
Another notable thing that I've picked up on is that some of the most amazing growth and accomplishments are those that are left unnoticed. Although I am valedictorian, it is wrong for me to stand here on this field and say that I'm the most accomplished person. There are students here who have done more and did not get the same recognition.
I know that there are students that go home and they take care of their siblings, or they go home and they work 40-hour work weeks in order to support their family, or they go home to no home essentially. And a lot of the time you see kids like me getting so much recognition in the classroom, but I didn't grow up in such a tough situation.
What will be your fondest memory of Romeoville High School?
Being valedictorian, salutatorian with Maya. I think because we're so close and we're so open with each other, there's a lot of support, and I think that being valedictorian comes with a lot of pressure, and salutatorian as well. But we were always there for each other, and it taught me how important it is to celebrate another person's success and how gratifying it could be to have someone, or how amazing it could be to have someone support you just as much as you support them.